All right, we're going to do a few more constructions. This next one is constructing a perpendicular to a line when you're given a point that is not on the line. So get your compass out, and the whole goal is to get a perpendicular segment. Probably going to sketch it in, just, for you to visualize what's happening. We want to get that perpendicular segment, but we want to actually do the construction. And we're going to use a compass to do this. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to place your compass on the letter, the point P, which I erased there. And then you're going to open your compass to go beyond the line. So you can swing an arc that goes beyond the line. And you see before I swing this arc, my arc's only going to hit one part of the line here. And that happens a lot. I actually set it up like that. So you have to take your straight edge and extend your line before you start. Sometimes you'll need to do that. I'm just going to use the straight line tool when you're going to use the straight edge. And so I'm going to extend the line that we already have. Now I'm going to open up my compass beyond that line, make sure it goes below. And I like to make it a pretty good size arc, and then I'm going to make an arc, and it intercepts the line, the given line, we'll call it line L, twice. That's the first step. Remember, every time you do a construction, you use your new intersection points. So I've created this point X and this point Y. The next thing is, in order to create this perpendicular line, I need 2 points. Since I based my first arc off of point P, I really just need to come up with one more point. So what I'm going to do is use the new intersection points and swing another arc that's actually going to go through my point P, which I already know, but it's going to give me new intersection points below point P. So I put my compass on X, and I put my compass on Y. And I create 2 new intersection points. Those red arcs are the guide for me to draw the perpendicular line. So my final answer is going to be in blue. And you'll use a straight edge to line up through these intersection points. I'm going to use my straight tool and take that line like you would do with the straight edge. And that's my final answer. So I have constructed a perpendicular from point P to line L.